What's up everybody, Manny from Motomillion. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to remove this reflector off your calipers and change your caliper spacers to the TWM ones. They come in red or black, and as you see, there's a caliper spacer here, and this one is a spacer that has an integrated bracket for this reflector. It's very simple to do. All you need is an 8mm Allen head socket and a torque wrench to torque back your caliper bolts once you're done. This is the same process on a Streetfighter V4, Panigale V4, or a Panigale V2. So start off by one bolt at a time. Undo the top bolt first. Remove this caliper spacer that has the integrated bracket into it. Then move on to the lower bolt. Don't completely undo it, just loosen it. Once you've loosened the lower bolt, place the caliper spacer in place. And just hand tighten the top bolt. Now move to the bottom one. Remove the bottom spacer. Insert your TWM caliper spacer into place. Now tighten down both the top and the bottom. First, use your ratchet to snug them up. And then grab your torque wrench. The torque is 33.5 foot-pounds, and torque them down one at a time. Repeat the same steps on the left side of the bike and you'll have your calipers looking beautiful like this. That reflector is not the best looking piece of the bike, and this little small detail, I really like it, especially the red one since it matches the red on the Brembo. It is the same step as I mentioned on a Panigale V4 and a Panigale V2. This is a Streetfighter V4. On the Panigale V2, you'll notice that the spacers are on top of the calipers, but the steps are the same. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys.